guys, welcome back to another video. Emily here, your Meta Skin Fairy, and today we're going to jump into a brand new series, and we are going to jump into skin and nutrition. So full disclaimer before we begin this video, I am not a dietitian, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm an esthetician. So whatever things I do say in my videos, don't take them as advices, more like things that I have researched and facts that I have learned over the years of working on the skin, and just suggestions that I do, recommend to my clients on a daily basis, but they're not advices, professional advices, because I am not a nutrition. So let's just get that out of the way right away. And now let's begin. So there has been there's a lot of studies on knowing or not if nutrition is actually linked to the skin, and in my professional opinion, there is. So whenever I see a new client walking through the doors, the first questions, or one of the few first questions that we will talk about and ask, is how their diet is. And the reason behind that is because most of the time, skin inflammation disorders can be worsen by the way that people consume food and drinks. So, when we talk about nutrition and skin, we need to talk base about skin aging in general first and foremost. So, two ways that your skin will age, and we have to remember too that the skin is an organ, right? So it will age naturally like all the other organs that we have in our body. That is an internal factor of aging. We can't stop that. And the second factor that will make our skin age will be the external elements. So we're talking about UV rays, we're talking about pollution, smog, tobacco, anything that's externally happening that influences and touches our skin. That's going to be the external way that our skin will be aging. And the best way to not stop aging, because there's no way that we can stop aging, but there is a way that we can gracefully age, and there's a way to maintain the health of our organs, and one of the ways is with a rich antioxidant nutrition. Now, you may realize that we are talking a lot about oxidative stress here. So oxidative stress is something that occurs naturally on our skin because of the external factors. However, the way that you do eat can worsen the condition of your skin and the other organs. So when you think about it, when you fuel your body on a daily basis with foods that aren't nutritious, that are processed, that have like 70 ingredients on the label list, you got to think, okay, well, what am I putting into my body? Because the famous sentence of "you are what you eat" is kind of true in a way. But again, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian, so we're not even going to consider all the possible allergies that someone can have, all the gut disease that someone may have. We're not even going to jump into that because it is not my field of expertise. However, I will say this: having a healthy diet will absolutely reflect on the health of your skin. And this brings me to the rainbow diet. So I don't particularly like to use the word diet because I feel like the word diet has had a bad rep in the past few years. When someone says, "Oh, I'm on a diet of this," and you're like, diet. We're not going to say diet. We're going to say the rainbow nutrition. So what that entails is that you want to maximize as much as possible your fruits and your veggies with all the colors of the rainbow, because they are full and packed of vitamins and antioxidant. That's pretty much what having the addition of the rainbow nutrition on top of whatever diet you currently have. And the ultimate goal of eating that way is to really help your body have a better antioxidant mechanism in order to fight off oxidative stress and in order to fight off the free radicals that do make your skin and your organs age quicker. So when we talk about antioxidants in foods, there's a big list that we should go over just to see what are the most popular ones. So the most common research antioxidants that are found in nutrition will be your carotenoids, tocophenols, flavonoids, vitamin A, C, D, E, K, and your EFAs, your essential fatty acids. These agents have been referred to as being able to promote skin health and beauty. So basically, we're aiming to have a healthy, nutritious diet. I'm not even going to jump into, it doesn't matter if you're vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, a meat eater, it doesn't matter. This kind of addition to your current way of eating can only benefit you and can only benefit your skin. Now, the fun part of the video will begin. So if you don't know me already, I'm very much into fitness. I'm very much into nutrition and, overall health. So it complements really well what I do with skin, being a skin therapist. But I have experimented in the last year into eating well and, watching my, the way that I eat. And I tell you right away, it does really reflect on how the skin really looks. Because when you think about it, and I will say this again, your skin is an organ. So if you're eating poorly, if you don't have a nice, healthy lifestyle, if you have shitty habits, if you eat processed foods, it's gonna show in your skin, and your skin will age quicker, for sure. I'm sorry to say, but it will. So in the last year, I've been experimenting with food. I've been really, really diligent about eating super, super well. And I've noticed it in my body. I've noticed it in my overall way of feeling as well. When you eat shitty foods, you do tend to be more tired all the time, not as much energized. So in the last year, I've experimented a lot on it, and I want to share with you a few recipes that can be done by anyone. You don't need to be a cook to be able to do these, but I thought it would be fun to kind of show you my best recipes that I found that are easy to make, that are full of antioxidants, and that you can add to whatever kind of nutritional diet that you do have. They're super easy to do and to kind of modify it to the way that you want to eat. So for this part of the video, it's going to be fun to watch. I don't know about you guys, but I love to watch videos of like people cutting food and just like, the person doesn't even have to talk. Like, I just love watching a meal being prepared on video. I just find it so relaxing. So I hope you feel the same way, because this will be the next part of the video. I'm going to share with you 3 dinner recipes that you can make under 30 minutes that are packed with antioxidants that will benefit your skin so much. And I hope you really do enjoy the process. So let's begin cooking. All right, guys, look at that beautiful tofu salad. If you don't like tofu, if you don't want to eat tofu, you can replace with canned tuna or boiled eggs or a piece of meat. Really, it does not matter. Looks so good. I probably eat this 4 to 5 times a week. I'm one of those people that loves to eat the same thing consistently because it's just easier for me to plan. But you know, I still have some little cheeky cheeks, some little cheats in there. Obviously, you know, the tofu is a little bit fried, so it's not the best, but you know, we gotta treat ourselves sometimes, right? So moving on to the next meal. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed the content and the meal prepping. I have so much fun doing food, and I hope you guys really enjoyed and got a few tricks of including antioxidants in your daily nutrition, because it really does affect your whole body, including your skin. So the upcoming videos are going to be all about antioxidants, so I'm really excited for you guys to watch them as I put them on YouTube. And if you guys want more tips on how to get healthy glowing skin at home, check the links below, because I put up a little guide for you that you can start doing these tips at home today to help your skin have a better glowing, healthier overall state. It is the pandemic right now, and some places around the world you can't even see an esthetician right now, which is our case right now. So I put up this guide for you guys to check it out, so you guys can have all the tools at home, and hopefully it'll help you out in your skincare journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell button so you guys can know when I upload a video. And until next time, stay safe, and we will chat super soon.